Staying in Japan, the island nation has yet to recover from the nightmarish earthquakes that killed dozens of people and injured thousands more in the southern prefecture of Kumamoto. While restoration work is in full swing, the spotlight has now shifted to the quake's impact on the Japanese economy. Minyoung has this report.
A week has passed since two deadly earthquakes struck southern Japan. They were soon followed by more than 700 aftershocks, according to local sources, especially in the Kumamoto and Oita Prefectures. Authorities say 48 people were killed by the quakes, and 10 additional deaths were reported afterwards, with more than 1,000 people injured. While Japan is just beginning to recover from the natural disaster, the economic impact of last week's earthquakes is beginning to reverberate as companies start to report on the damage caused by the quakes and the potential effects on production from supply chain disruptions. One example, Toyota Motors projected a loss of 50,000 units as production in its Kyushu factories has been halted. There are also speculations that the local tourism industry would suffer a heavy blow as Kumamoto is a highly sought-after tourist destination. Nomura Securities, a Japan-based securities and investment banking company, projected that tourism revenue will be cut by 150 billion yen, or $1.3 billion, if the annual number of tourists drops to half the average. Not only that, the latest disaster is expected to push the value of the yen against the US dollar even higher, which would also pose a huge concern for the island nation.
Rather than short-term economic effects of the earthquake, Japan needs to watch out for a possible rise in its currency. With a stronger yen, the Japanese economy could experience a major blow, as it could trim the profit outlook for exporters and other Japanese shares.
What concerns many in Japan is that the latest damage from last week's earthquake could add to the already volatile exchange rate of the local currency amid slowing global economy. Minyoung, Arirang News.